Welcome to the Digital Selling Introduction video. Digital selling and indeed social selling are now critical skills for any modern salesperson to succeed in sales. The paradox in selling is that while it has never been easier to identify a set of customers, it has become increasingly difficult to talk and engage with them on a human level. So, digital selling covers a number of sales activities to build awareness, credibility, and attract buyer interest using personal brand promotion, real-world networking, social media networks, and digital channels. Digital selling is the act of infusing engagement and conversations into the traditional sales process in order to expand the reach to prospects and customers. To streamline how as salespeople we develop, advance, and maintain relationships with people. Rather than focus digital selling efforts on contacting more or contacting faster, a more effective method is to think of digital selling first as a path to improved lead generation and engagement. True sales purpose will shed new light on your own well-being and find a higher level meaning in the sales work you do. There's a biological reason behind this reaction as well, as having a sense of purpose pushes your brain to operate at a higher level. But when you just rattle off your sales job, it's like you're on autopilot and using the least amount of brain power. The role of the salesperson in modern digital selling is to listen, understand, guide, explain options, and build trust. If they do this, then the salesperson cannot help but have a level of influence in shaping customers' decision to move forward. Today, customers and buyers want to deal with ethical salespeople who go beyond the immediate sale, to deal with salespeople who puts the result of what the customer wants to achieve above their own self-interests. In our Digital Selling Advanced training, you will learn all about customer-centric digital selling. Customer process-centric digital selling, or DS, shifts the focus from selling price-driven offerings to facilitating valuable improvements for the customer, producing measurable financial benefits. Here, the salesperson's role is to educate customers on how to maximize their own resources more effectively. Along your learning path, you will learn about building credibility, how to connect with people on an emotional and logical level. The key to undertaking real conversations. Plus, how to be consistent across all your sales activity. Our digital selling training will guide you on a learning pathway. How you make a difference to customers. How you're different from your competition. How to build credibility and trust to open more conversations. How to identify customers' problems before offering benefits. What it takes to sell successfully in the digital era. Our 12-part lesson plan on digital selling skills is as follows. 1. What is digital selling? 2. Sales perspective. 3. Know your customer and targeting. 4. Demonstrate your purpose. 5. Buyer behavior in the digital era. 6. Digital selling CX4. 7. Sales communication skills. 8. Securing appointments and meetings. 9. Handling sales objections. 10. Closing the sale and sales negotiation. 11. Sales persuasion skills, and 12. Digital selling expert insights. You now have the opportunity to acquire the digital selling skills that turns products or services into a higher level purpose. As the saying goes, the secret to getting ahead is getting started. Hopefully you will join us on your own learning journey. Thanks for watching.